Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 20A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this device. Start by going into settings and scrolling down a bit. Click on Home Screen and Wallpaper, tap on Home Screen mode and scroll down. Over here you need to pick simple one, choose apply and tap on switch. As you can see, easy mode is now turned on. You can turn it off by going into the same settings, choosing Home Screen and Wallpaper, clicking on Home Screen mode and picking any other one, for example standard. Choose apply and lastly click switch. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!